Introducing a U-shaped clamp watch to everyone. Some lines are too close to be clamped. Take out the flexible coil. Switch to the corresponding gear. Insert it into the 2 ports on the left. Thread the flexible coil through the circuit to be measured. Connect it again to test. Flexible completion of various current detection tasks. The microwave suddenly stopped working and wouldn't turn on. No response. Let's start by unscrewing a few bolts. Open the lid and take a look. First, measure the input voltage with the meter. The AC voltage display is normal while also displaying the frequency. Next, let's test this fuse. The probe tip did not produce a beeping sound when touched. Block. There should be a buzzing sound when conducting. Try again. Still no response. Take it out and take a look. The internal connection has been severed. Let's replace it with a new one and test it again. Now the beeping sound is going off. No problem. To check if the circuit is conducting during normal operation, use it. It can be directly measured without any need for breaking the line. Finding the hot wire is also quite simple. A single test probe touching the live wire will trigger an alarm. No response when touching the neutral wire. Finding the live wire during maintenance is particularly efficient. There is a capacitor nearby. Remember to short circuit and discharge first. Touch both terminals of the capacitor with the multimeter probes to measure its capacitance. The numerical display is normal. Now power on. The microwave oven can now heat properly. The problem lies in that fuse. Let's take another look at this electric pot. Suddenly, it stopped heating. Measure it with NCV non-contact sensing. Follow the line. Where does this sound stop? That is the breakpoint location. Found it right on the spot. 1. Let's measure the operating current to determine the condition of the electrical appliance. The alternating current is 3.4 A. The water can now boil normally. Next, switch to the temperature settings. Insert the dedicated temperature measurement cable. Put the other end into the water. Can detect high temperatures in real time. Both Celsius and Fahrenheit can be displayed simultaneously. Press and hold the 0 key to reset the base number. Measure the current during battery charging. Easily assess battery health. Its U-shaped jaw design. Clamping the wire is very convenient. The clamp head can still rotate. It can measure in various confined environments. Measure the voltage of the fully charged battery. Fully automatic DC voltage identification. Testing household small batteries. The battery can also be tested. Measurable resistance and various circuit components. The range can be automatically recognized and matched. Eliminate the cumbersome process of manual gear shifting. Can also test diode LED beads. Directly illuminate this LED indicator light. Very practical. Easy determination of component quality. When measuring frequency, it also displays the duty cycle simultaneously. All operational parameters are intuitively controlled. Specialized support for VFC frequency conversion voltage detection. Home appliance inverter circuit. Motor equipment can all be accurately measured. Phase sequence detection function. The red pen touches the ABC 3 lines one by one. The correct wiring will display a forward sequence icon. Let's test it again in reverse. When there is a wiring error, the instrument measurement result shows a reverse charging icon. The instrument clamp has 2 color options to choose from. Equipped with a dedicated storage box. Neat and worry-free storage of accessories. Equipped with silicone protective cover. Anti-fall and anti-collision. Stronger durability. High-definition color large screen. Split screen. Clear and easy to read readings. Self-illuminating flashlight. Even in dim light lit maintenance scenarios, one can work with ease. There is a data hold button on the side. One-click locking of measurement values to remove the battery cover. Install 3 AAA batteries. Install the battery cover properly. You can start working now.